In this guide, I'm going to show you how to back up your contacts from your Android device to Gmail and Google. Backing up your contact is a good idea because it allows you to restore them to a new device or access them from another device if something happens to your current phone. I'll walk you through step by step, so please follow along. First, you need to go ahead and access your settings application on your device. Scroll down and tap on the Google option. You'll usually find it below Accounts and Backup. Tap on that option. Then tap on All Services on the right-hand side beside Recommended. Scroll down until you find the Google Contact Sync, which is between backup and restored contacts. Tap on it. Make sure that the status is switched on. To back up your device and same contacts, you need to enable this option. Once enabled, you can choose the Google or Gmail account you want to use for the backup, especially if you have multiple accounts on your phone. You can also add a new contact if needed, and your contacts will now start backing up and syncing. Wait for the process to complete, and you will know it's successful when you see a tick mark. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.